So I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled east and every highway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exemption. I believe each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. There were times I knew when I did all more than I could chew, but through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall, and did it my way. I laughed and cried, I let I feel my share of losing, and now as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he is not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words